playing Pixel Gun, and it is the Lightning Thief, the best gamer. Come on, I don't want to look at this guy. Sorry for all the tapping. Oh, it's loading. Oh, it's loading. Hey, you guys don't want to sit here and watch this load, do you? Whew, it's almost done. We got 2 more percent. 2 more percent, y'all. Okay, never mind. Yeah, let's go. Look at this pixel gun. Oh my god, look at the tutorial. Where is the right? What is that? What is that? Oh my god. Alright, yes, give me this. What is this? AR-15? Alright. I get in your face and you die like that. Oh, I do not know how to play. My aim is messed up. My aim is messed up. No. Into the portal. No. Give me more people to kill. I want to kill more people. Let me go over here. I want to go over here. You want to go over here? You stupid idiots. Yes, perfect. Perfect. I'm the best. Look at that sniper. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. Look at that, what we got. Ooh. Yes, look at that. This is us. This is us. I want to use the sniper. We're gonna go to some multiplayer. Look at that team fight. Nah. Okay, small map. We're gonna go to this because it's a small map. All right. Wow, I'm wanting me a sword. Dual shotgun. I want dual shotguns. You know what? These guys are bullies. They're bullies. Alright, so you know what we're just gonna have to do? We're gonna go in, kill everybody, alright? Everybody's dying. Look how many people are on the team. Am I on their team? Please tell me I'm on their team. Oh look, it's a little recording button over here. Oh snap, look at this guy. You can't just run up in our spot like that. Let's get a kill. Oh, I got an assist kill. Give me that armor. Alright, let's go out. And like a stone carry sniper. Oh snap, I threw a grenade. Oh my god. This is very hard to control. Die. Oh my god. You idiots. Alright, we're gonna go in with the pill. Oh my god. Who are you? Yes! Double kill! Yes! Headshot! I got the kill assist. Yes! I believe we're winning. Are we winning, guys? Alright, let's go on their turret. Okay, it's not. Let's snipe them. Why is it so dark over here? Oh my god. Die. Knife. You get knife. Yes. Come here, you gotta get knife. Come on. Knife. All of you gotta get knife. Come here. You get the knife. Oh my god, I can't see what I'm doing. Do grenade. Just jump. Run out. Knife him. Come here. You get the knife. Yes. I'm the best sniper in the game. Alright, let's see how we did, guys. Oh, yeah. 1 coin? 1? Really? Okay, level 2. Oh, look at that. Alright. This is nice. We got 4 kills. Best in the game. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys later. This was really fun. I enjoy playing Pixel Gun. Thank you guys for watching my video. I love you guys so much. And your boy Lightning Thief. No, I'm gonna call myself the Thief. Your boy the Thief is out.